One of the ways in which pitchers keep a runner close or try and pick off a runner at second base, and we represent the runner by an X out here, is what we want them to do is we want them to actually spin and turn towards second base in order to surprise the runner. Oftentimes runners sometimes aren't paying as close attention at second as they would at first or even third. So oftentimes you can surprise a runner by just using a quick movement or a surprise movement towards second base in order to try and pick them off. So one of the things that a pitcher can do is first we want to look at their head. One of the things that we don't want to do is we don't want to look at the runner and then spin and throw. Normally a runner's taught to focus in on the pitcher, so obviously if the pitcher's looking at them, they're guarded and oftentimes will easily return to the base. However, when you start your spin move, what we teach young players is to look towards home plate and count 1001 before we spin and turn and throw. Because our objective is to try and get this base runner to move farther and farther towards third base, so that when we do make a throw and they're surprised by it, that they don't have time to go back and return to the base, which is second base. So one of the things that we have our young player do is we have them actually make a spin move, and what that is simply is we're going to take our back foot and we're going to make what we call a jump turn towards second base. In our front shoulder, as we turn, and we're going to turn with this back foot, and we're going to rotate it in back of the rubber. And as we rotate, we're going to bring our shoulder around, and we're going to allow our stride leg here to step right towards second base. So simply, a pitcher's going to count to 1001. They're going to once they count 1001, they're going to make a spin move using our back foot to jump in back of the rubber. And as we're jumping in back of the rubber, we're going to rotate on that foot with our shoulder towards second base and our stride legs striding towards second in order to make an accurate throw and surprise the runner so that we can pick them off or at least keep them closer to second.